Full video of Sharp Smart TV Remote. IR plus Bluetooth plus RF. This is the sensor. This is the mic for voice in. This model is IR plus Bluetooth. Now let's try this one. No reflection because there's no IR. Please like, share, and subscribe. Look at this. No IR. No sensor, just the RF board. This is another RF model. Just like the other one. No IR sensor. Just the radio frequency, RF, board. This and this are the same. Let's clean up the board with alcohol before assemble it. Now this is IR plus Bluetooth. And this is RF. Please subscribe for more videos like this.